Hey, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone had a really nice Memorial Day, celebrating with friends and family. I had a really nice day. I hope you saw yesterday's video. We got another Willys chase, drag strip demons. Did not expect it. Okay, let's see if we see anything new here at the old Hobby Lobby. Thunderbird convertible. Oh, two of those now. Interesting. We should put that on the right hook. Okay, wow. It's been a long day, my people. Yes, I know we're just starting the video, but of course this is a continuation of yesterday's video, which I hope you saw, because we got something cool, man. We got something cool yesterday. Oh, two of those? I don't remember seeing two of those here. Some returns, perhaps? Perhaps some returns? Let's see. Oh, I don't remember that one either. The Studi Champion. That's nice. That's nice. Keep it moving. Okay, nothing. Weird gray wheel on that thingy. No gold strike on that peg. Ambulances and vans. Shout out to Boosted. That was his first greenie ever. I do see some new hot hatches here from the old green lights. 1979 Ford Mustang Cobra, 1983 Volkswagen Golf. Didn't we get a greenie in one of these Golf cars? Was it the hot hatches? I don't remember, dudes. Well, let's see, some new Smokey and the Bear, Series 2. I wonder if it was Series 1, the other ones. I don't see any left here. Ooh, a Dodge Ram. Mopar fans, shout out to you. D150 and a Jeep Gladiator. Oh, look, there's a canoe in there. Okay, next stop on the Diecast fun train is a Target. We haven't been to this Target in, I don't know, a few days probably, maybe a week. It's been a while. Nothing really good at the Hobby Lobby. It didn't seem like much really came in either store in their last delivery from what I could see. All right, our first look at a newer two-car Wave. So Dodge Coronet, gold wheel up front, Plymouth Belvedere, and this is what has the Lexus and the Liberty Walk, which it's okay because Works found some for us. If we don't see him, he will help us out. Wait a minute, what's over here? Pontiac Firebird? What is that? Oh, the SI Wave. What? The SI and Sylvia Wave returns. Wow, that's kind of weird. Barracuda, Formula S, Chevelle, Barracuda. Don't see the good cars, of course. Guess this Lambo just really is not that popular. Not that popular. Oh, well, I guess it makes sense that the cards have a different barcode. If you saw yesterday's video, I would have assumed the cards had the same barcode for the Willys Chase and Main, but they don't. But they are different cards. I forgot the front is different. I'm seeing a lot of these things at stores, guys. I'm just letting the Funko collectors know. Some of this stuff is cool. Skrull is Iron Man. Hawkeye and Ant-Man. I don't know. I guess, is there a comic in there, or is it just like a picture of a comic? I can't tell. And it has like holes or something in the back there to hang it up. I like these things, man. They're cool. There is a lot of stuff here. It's just nothing great. All right, I see some NASCAR Authentics here. This is the Wendy's Chase Wave, and Wendy's right there in my hand. Is this the, yeah, so there's a Castrol car also in that Wave. We'll just, you know, do a little looking, you never know. Tide in there. I use Tide. Tide is such a good laundry detergent. I love it, dude. It smells so good, dude. It smells so good, dude. These monster truck, oh, Jurassic World. I see. So they have a new monster truck, Jurassic themed set. Does it show all the trucks? Oh, it's only 4. Okay, it seemed like a lot more than 4 with all of this right here. How weird, right? Willys are left right up there. Volkswagen's gone, of course. Even though we have seen some remnants. Dude, we gotta find wheels for that Lambo. I really need to pay more attention here. There's gotta be something we can use that's cool. Okay, not a problem, my people. There was a lot of stuff in that aisle, just nothing really of interest to me, so it's all good. You know the deal. Pavement to the... Wait, feet to the pavement. We hitting the streets. We hunting today. All right, next stop is the auto parts store. We haven't been here in a few days. Oh, dude, that's so cool. Okay, totally buying that. Totally buying it. We're opening this today. What else? What else? So they got a few things in. There's the little... oh, gosh. Oh, you. The F case. You. Come on, you. Anyway, we'll never see that suit ever, dude. Oh, look at that. They're getting some new stuff from the H case. I guess we'll have a new Batman Forever Batmobile recolor. Oh gosh. Still see the NSX here. Nice wheels. Card's not terrible. Okay. Corvettes. Ooh, lots of Corvette monster trucks. And some 5-packs. All right, let's go. Next store. Okay, we have a new 69 Camaro SSRS 396 23 release car number 2. And dude, it looks awesome, man. 6,500 pieces. What a weird number. That's pretty weird. 6,500, kinda low. Maybe it's another one of those exclusives. Darn, I really wanted to see some cool stuff at the grocery store. We've gotten fairly lucky with some treasure hunts and some other cool stuff here at this specific one. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like anything has come in since our last visit. Oh, Nissan Patrol's getting sold. Interesting. There was quite a few. Nobody wants the Batmobile. Or... that thing. What a shame, dude. These used to be so cool, man. I used to love the track manga, some of them. But I don't like that one that much. It's a cool theme, cool idea. Love the fantasy design. Yes, I do love a fantasy. The track manga. Yeah, I hope you saw yesterday's video. We found another Hot Wheels premium chase, man. Dude, those things elude me. I barely found any. Barely, compared to what I normally find. We are checking $1.25 tree now, but I don't know why. The peg holes are showing at the $1.25 tree. There's only one Matchbox, the Citron, and the Nissan van. I have 3 of those chases of the premium Willys Drag Strip Demons chase. Incredible, dude. We gotta trade one, right? I gotta trade one for something I don't have. We gotta find somebody that's missing the Willys. I feel like Walmarts are, I don't know, a little weird right now. We're definitely gonna stay on them. I am just checking some grocery stores right now, just to kind of get a feel for what's going on. A bunch of Mario Karts here. I'm trying to, there we go. I wanted to see if the chase thingy was in there. Oh, Toadette, Birthday Girl, Light Blue, Shy Guy. Yeah, I don't remember what wave that was. Bone Shaker, Rimac Nevera, Roller Toaster. Gotta go, teed off. We have another one of those in the H case. I didn't show it, but it was in there. Who is buying that one? Golfers? Golfers, maybe? All right, Bone Shaker, Rally, Diora, Rimac, El Camino, Diora, Custom. Okay, keep it moving. Oh, some 5-packs, Design Lab. We know that's a newer one. Where's the Nissan? That's cool. I already got one. I can't wait to do those wheel swaps. Dude, the Sylvia, the white Sylvia, the S13 with those blue monoblocks looked awesome. Oh, this is more like it, my people. We got some Hot Wheels. Will we see anything cool? Let's start right at the top. Twinduction, Diora, Batmobile, Roadster Bite, Audi, Max Steel, the Bison. I guess this is G case, right? I don't think these are H. I think a lot of this is G. So let's keep it moving. I'm not cheating. I'm gonna just show every single car right to you. Bus, the little Honda. I do like that. I think that was in the G, right? I don't know. We've never... Oh, they still have that? Ooh, weird, dude. All right, Batmobile, 2 Corvettes, another Batmobile. Lots of Batmobiles. Nobody wants the Batmobile. Surf's Up again. Oh, see, I like this track manga. Oh, Mad Manga. That's the Mad Manga. I think I even got some of that. Can you see it? I'm sorry. Can you see it right there? Yeah. I think I got some of those. Because I do like that one. All right, keep it moving. Corvette. Wow, it looks like a bunch of old leftovers, dude. There's a lot of cars here, though. Twinduction. All right, just keep on going. Batmobile, Twinduction, Ford, Batmobile. So many Batmobiles. Pacifica, Pagani, Diora, come on, dude. Looks like there's not gonna be that much stuff here. Nissan Patrol. Another Corvette, Diora, Nissan Patrol, Batmobile. Well, at least we know the store is getting cars, so I'll definitely be paying attention to this one. This is the first time I ever even came to this specific grocery store. And I'm a little disappointed. I mean, there's a lot of cars here. Oh, there's the new recolor on the Tesla. Was that in a G case? Man, we got to find a G case. We haven't even cracked it. We skipped right from F to H. All right. Whatever that thing is. Oh, Count Muscula. Oof, isn't that old? Isn't that old, dude? Viper, school bus, Escort, Fiat. Gotta go. Oh, we got one more row, dude. Oh, it's so much leftover stuff. Oh, well. Roadster Bite. We tried. All right, if you missed yesterday's video, which you shouldn't have, okay? Come on now, support the Florida man. All right, 0 out of 5, 5 out of 5, our third 33 Willys Chase. And yeah, so cool, dude. I was like, wow, why is the barcode so different? But they have different card faces, so I guess they made different card backs. 167 193. But yeah, it doesn't matter, obviously. I mean, I only scanned one of them. Oh, what is that? Is that on the inside? A little something in there, a little speck of something. But anyway, that's cool. They got the same tire, different base, different wheel. Very, very cool. I almost wish they had an icon on there, some kind of premium Chase logo or something, so that if it were opened, you could still identify it as the Chase. Just want to compare the bases here. Copyright 2022. Hot Wheels. Look at that big old front bar up there saying Hot Wheels on it. And then Hot Wheels, copyright 2022. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. So, I guess they were made at the same time. R46. Yeah, I think that code is like where they're made. I really think so. Sometimes, yeah, see R46A, it's right there. I think that has something to do with the production location. All right, this is pretty cool. We have the 70 Dodge Charger, Fast and Furious tuned. We're gonna crack it, dude. Yeah, International Card Auto Parts Store. It was like $2.13. Oh well. Getting right in there. One-handed pull. Come on out of there. Oh, did a little roll. Careful. Good thing we're on glass. Oof, gosh. Hate wrecking my open to loose Hot Wheels. There she is, guys. The Tooned Charger. It's so cool, man. I love the Tooned series. I do have a manga tuner that I open. Oh, the windows are up. Look at that. That's interesting. Oh, the window's down on one side and up on the other? Is that broken? Look, it shows them both down. Is that some kind of error? Did they not like punch the little window piece out? Look at that, dude. Do I have an error? Now we gotta open another one? Well, wait, it was in there like that, so we should be able, let me grab another one. Weird, dude. Same thing. I think the other side is open. Right? Yeah, the other side is open, but on this it shows that the passenger side is open. Do we have an error in production? Or is that how it's supposed to be? Like just the driver's side is down, but anyway, I don't know. Thank you so much for watching today's video, my people. Get ready for tomorrow's video. We will be unboxing our third Legends Tour Honda S2K. And I really want to compare them because I feel like there may be some paint variants, which has happened in years past.